So you've loaded up shooter game, but now you want to add your own maps to the menu. You choose deathmatch, you choose next, but you only have 2 maps. Where's your map? Same with team deathmatch. You want to add your map here, but there's just no map spot to add. Let me show you how that's done. This is actually done really simple, and there's no data holder for this, so it's done directly in the menu. To find these menu settings for deathmatch and team deathmatch, go to your generic shooter content folder, go to UI, go down to menus, open that up and go to host game, and there are 2 widget blueprints here. There is host deathmatch settings and host team deathmatch settings. And you're going to want to change both of these if you want your map to show up in both. If you want your map to only show up in team deathmatch, only edit the team deathmatch one, and vice versa. So I'm going to open up host deathmatch settings, and on the right here under under the details pane, you'll see that if you have your map choice widget selected, which is the first widget here, you'll have this choices drop down. And what this choices drop down represents is any type of menu choice widget, such as the map choice or even the round time or the kill element choice, has this choice thing here. And sometimes I add in choices in the graph through Blueprint. Sometimes I add it directly in the details pane. And for the map choice, I add it directly to the details pane because that's just, it works and it's easy, and there's really no reason to have a map storage class just yet. So you can see here that you have the 2 options, test map and val Allar, which is named because someone in our Twitch stream named it that way. And I've already accidentally included a map done by one of the Twitch stream fans called generic shooter map v1. You might have already seen this. This was actually done by a fan of my Twitch stream who submitted it, and I did a light demo on it and added the pickups and stuff, but the layout is his, and he let me put it to everybody, so now it's out there. So if you want to add this map to your map selection, just note the name generic shooter map v1 and just add a new choice to this widget here and just type in generic shooter map v1, and I want to copy paste this to the host deathmatch map choice widget the same way. Then I'm going to compile and save both these widgets, and when I hit play, now my character's going to lag a little bit because I'm streaming and I'm also playing Adventure Capitalist, which is lagging in the other window. But in any case, you go to host game, and if you load up deathmatch or team deathmatch, you should see generic shooter map v1 appear in the level selection. So if you hit next, it will load up your map. That pretty simple.
Bang, bang, bang.
Now you'll see me as a zombie because I did this on the same project of the last add custom character tutorial, but you should see your guy, and yeah, that's how you add your map to selection. Cheers.